What compensation or damages should I seek in my serious injury auto case? Attorney George C. Creal explains, when you're involved in an automobile collision or any kind of personal injury, you have several different types of actual damages, including past, present, and future medical expenses, compensation for pain and suffering, lost wages, and diminished capacity of labor in the future. When you treat with a medical healthcare professional after a collision and have reached what they call maximum medical improvement, the doctor will give you a disability rating that applies to one part of your body or your entire body. This disability rating comes from the American Medical Association's Guide for Permanent Impairment and can be used as an element for damages. For example, if you have a whole body disability rating of 10%, it will indicate that you're going to be essentially 90% as effective as you were prior to the collision. If you were making $100,000 a year, then a 10% disability rating would indicate that in the future, you may only be able to make $90,000 a year. A spouse can have damages for loss of consortium, which means the loss of the services of their husband or wife because they've been in a collision and might not be able to help around the house or be as intimate with their spouse as they were before the collision. There may be punitive damages if the other party was dangerous, extremely reckless, and consciously indifferent about the consequences of the people who were affected by their actions. For instance, someone who was drunk driving and caused a collision could be subject to punitive damages. Punitive damages don't have any direct relation to your injury, but are damages to punish the other party. A person injured by someone who's awarded punitive damages will keep some portion of that, and a portion will go to the state. There are certain caps and limits on punitive damages depending on the type of claim. Take the safe road by hiring attorney George Creal and his team, who bring over 50 years of courtroom experience to counsel's table, providing your case with the individualized time and attention to detail required for success.